Last month, I made $5,000 in just 24 hours from an affiliate website generated entirely by AI. And in this video, I'll be showing you exactly how you can do the same. Everything from generating a website using AI to driving free traffic to your website, I have compiled all of my knowledge into a simple 3-step strategy. A strategy that will have you making passive income in as little as 1 week, thanks to the power of affiliate marketing. And it starts with step number 1, generating a website using AI. For this, I'd highly recommend using the Haku's AI Website Builder. This is by far the best website builder on the market today. Simply head over to the Haku's website, click on Get Your AI Website, and start filling out all the important details about your site. You'll be asked to enter your website name, your website niche, your website type, and key features you would like to have on your website. The information you enter will be used by the AI in order to generate a website that best matches your description. Once you've inputted your information, you will be offered 3 website designs to choose from. Choose the design you think looks best, and just like that, you now have a stunning, ready-to-go website generated in seconds by AI. Which brings us on to step number 2, affiliate marketing. For those of you looking to make passive income, now is the time to listen closely. If you want to make thousands per month, then there are 2 things we must focus on. Number 1, find affiliate products to promote on our website. For this, there are 2 great platforms I recommend, both of which are completely free. The first, and the one I use for my affiliate website, is Amazon. Simply sign up for the Amazon Affiliates program and find a product on Amazon you would like to promote on your website. Once you've found a product, click on the button right at the top to create your own affiliate link. Another popular tool I recommend for finding affiliate programs is ClickBank. Once signed up, you can browse through a huge catalog of affiliate programs available. ClickBank is great. It also tells you how different products have performed for other affiliate marketers in the past. This way, you can choose to promote the most successful products only on your website. Notice also how much money certain affiliate products pay you in commission. As you can see, many products offer you hundreds of dollars for each sale you make. This means that just 10 sales could make you over $1,000, and it's for this reason why affiliate marketing is so powerful. Once you've found affiliate products, we must then shift our focus onto number 2, writing content for our website. For this, we will use an AI tool called Copy.ai. Simply head to the Copy.ai site, sign up for free, and click on the button at the top that says New Project. Here, you can prompt the AI to write content for your affiliate website. For example, suppose I create an affiliate website that promotes food supplements. I would head to Copy.ai and ask it to write an affiliate article that promotes the 5 supplements I found on Amazon or ClickBank. You can then add this article to your website by heading back over to the website builder and clicking the Edit Website button. What's great about Haku's is that you can install various apps that offer features you can add to your site. For example, you can activate apps that allow you to sell online products, take bookings, or show testimonials. Since we are generating an affiliate website, I will activate the Blog app. Once activated, you will see the app appear on the side panel. I'll click on it, choose Create a New Post, and select a blank page. This will generate a blank page on our website. Last but not least, paste the article Copy.ai previously created for us. You can then add images, edit the page layout, add widgets, and so much more. Haku's really is incredible. I'll link it in the description. But this leaves one final problem. How are we going to attract traffic to our website? Well, my friends, this takes us on to the final step of the video, a step that ties the entire strategy together. Introducing step number 3, driving traffic to our website. Everything we've talked about so far is useless if no one visits your affiliate website. So how do we drive traffic to our site? Well, there are 3 techniques I will share with you, with the 3rd technique being the one I recommend most. Let's start with technique number 1, SEO optimization. The SEO of a website is crucial. If you can get Google to rank your website high, then you are guaranteed to get thousands of clicks, and as a result, thousands of sales. It really is that simple. But how can a new, unknown website rank high on Google, especially when there are other more famous affiliate websites out there? Well, if you choose to write an article about the latest iPhone, then sure, you are not going to outrank the big affiliate websites who are writing about the exact same thing. However, if you instead are able to find less known, less popular products that might be on the 2nd page on Amazon or the 3rd page on ClickBank, then you will have much less competition on search engines like Google. On those articles, if you make the best use of keywords in your title, keywords in your meta description, and keywords in your content, then ranking on the first page of Google is much easier than you might think. Which brings us onto the second technique, ads. This is the only technique I will mention in today's video that is not free. However, I felt I had to include it in the list. This is because using ads was a tool I used for my affiliate website, which really helped bring in that initial audience in the first year. Even though I chose to invest a little in the beginning, those ads easily paid for themselves from the revenue I generated from the affiliate links. However, I understand not everyone has the money to pay for ads, which brings us on to technique number 3, YouTube. Think about it like this. Instead of buying YouTube ads, you can use the YouTube algorithm to do the exact same thing completely free. For example, suppose I posted an article on my website titled Top 5 Supplements for Optimal Health. I could then create a YouTube video with that exact same title, and in the description of the video, leave a link to my website's article. Although it might be difficult to rank high on Google, it's much easier to rank high on the second largest search engine, YouTube, and you can take advantage of this for your affiliate website. And hey, why not combine all 3 techniques? That's what I did 3 years ago when I was in your exact position. If you've made it this far in the video, then I can tell you are serious about making money from affiliate marketing. So for you, I recommend you click on this video where I outline 4 different ways to make money from AI affiliate marketing. It's the perfect video to partner this one, so I highly recommend you guys check it out.